Welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen, and it is spring, and I have this marvelous rhubarb that is ready to harvest in my backyard. And if you've never had rhubarb before, it is perfect in desserts. It has a little tartness and a little firmness. So if you're kind of a fan of that sweet tart flavor, this is a perfect recipe for you. Or if you've seen these in the grocery store or perhaps even the farmer's market. This beautiful kind of pink and red and green, to me, just epitomizes springtime. So this is what a leaf looks like harvested. You want to make sure that you trim the leaves. They are toxic, so we're going to throw those out. And so I have just cut up about under 2 pounds in about a 1/2 inch cut. So I'll be ready to go. And in this bowl, I have some flour, some oats, and some brown sugar. I'm using dark because it's what I have on hand. I would prefer to have light brown sugar, just because I like that flavor. Dark brown is good for certain things, but I kind of need to get rid of it. And so I'm going to make it with dark brown. It has a little bit more of that molassesy flavor in it. And I have a 1/2 cup here of butter that's been melted, and this is our topping. So I just want to get that prepared. A crisp is a super simple way of using a lot of different kinds of fruits. Because you have this topping, you don't have to worry about making any sort of crust, which can be intimidating in pies or, oh my goodness, I think buckles or other things that you see, cobblers. But then there's sometimes some modified that you can do. But a crisp, you could probably even substitute a variety of fruits. I'm using rhubarb because the sweetness is going to be offset by the tart. So I'm going to add just a 1/4 cup here of flour and my sugar. I think you again can alter this. I have a cup in the recipe, and I like a little bit of the tart, so I don't want to hide a lot of that. So I think I'm going to just put just a little bit over 1/2 cup. And I have some cinnamon here as well. So just toss this together. Super simple. My oven is preheating, 375. And here goes my topping. Just place that evenly. Now I got these plants from my grandma, and so they're very, very precious to me because they do remind me of her, and I have so many recipes that she used with the rhubarb, and this is one of them. So I will see you back in about 35 minutes, just kind of looking for this. It'll start to bubble. And if you want to stick a fork in and just kind of test the rhubarb, you see it's pretty firm. You're going to want it to be softened. And so about 35 minutes, but I would definitely check and make sure with your oven. So I'll see you back soon. So you can see this luscious, scrumptious rhubarb crisp is finally ready. And you can see I'm actually ready for it too. So I'm just going to scoop this out. This is wonderful to serve with ice cream or perhaps some whipped cream or some other whipped topping. But I just kind of wanted you to, oh, look at that. I'm so excited. It smells fantastic. So anyway, I'm going to be a very happy camper. I hope my family's going to be a happy camper with this. And if you give it a shot, hopefully all of you and yours will be happy as well. Thanks so much for tuning in to Crazy Turtle today. I hope to see you again soon. Take care.